Hello, my name is Mitchell Lizal Paza. My artist name is Amlu. I specialize in digital art and graphic design.
Magandang araw, ako si Kenzie P. Pineda, isang artist na nagtatago sa pangalang Kalye Bulak. Ako ay isang pintor, sculptor, at higit sa lahat isang alagad ng sining.
I started when I was in high school with just a sketchbook and a pencil, and then it just grew from there. I started focusing more on digital art when it was the beginning of the pandemic and I had nothing to do. So I said to myself, why not try? I'm alone and I could do everything and no one will know.
Nagsimula ako sa abstract art, sunod naman nun, napunta ako sa street art. Pinaghahalo ko na yung street art at yung mga kaalaman ko sa abstract art at patuloy na ini-improve yung art style.
It was really hard kasi at first wala akong malalapitan. I did not know anyone who's in the industry. Starting out pa din naman.
Walang madali sa larangan ng sining, kaya nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, lahat ng oportunidad na pwedeng lumapit sa akin, kahit alam kong pwede akong malugi, gagawin ko pa rin siya.
A lot of people really undervalue art kasi pag sinabi mo, oh, I do art, sabihin agad nila na, oh, di ba like drawing lang yan, pindot lang, but it's really not.
Mahirap talaga maghanap ng clients tsaka stable na income. Tiyaga lang sa paghahanap ng mga client at tiwala sa gawa mo. Bilang ang gawa mo ang magpapatunay sa mga buyers na dapat nilang bilhin ng mga likha mo.
I wanted to create a space where creatives can easily network with different industries by developing a creative directory that bridges the gap between what creatives need and what the clients need. We also work with different organizations, different collectives that supports local communities, local creatives, and local initiatives.
It was from an email. They invited me to be one of their artists to feature from their exhibit.
Nagsimula akong sumali sa TLI noong lumabas ang Beyond the Small exhibit. Isa ako sa mga artist na napili bilang makilawak doon sa exhibit na yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang i-expectin ko sa TLI nung araw na yun. Pero doon ako nagsimula at doon na nag-flourish yung pagsasama namin sa TLI.
We develop a directory where clients can easily view each creative, and with that, each client can easily book them or easily see what are their rates, how do they work, what are their works. Apart from being an agency, we also train them. We try to tap them with different projects. This could be X-Deal, this could be for portfolio purposes, just for them to see what does the industry look like, even though they're just a student.
It really did. Like from there, like kung gumagawa ako ng art, like I really feel my value doon. At parang medyo nagbago din yung pananaw ko. Yung ginawa kasi ng TLI, they created a community for artists where they are seen, they are valued. Kasi ang daming artists na hindi nabibigyan ng boses at di nakikita yung mga talent nila. And I'm glad that TLI saw that for me.
Marami na akong nakuha mula sa TLI. Pinakamalaking project na nagawa ko is under TLI, ang Break the Silence Life Art. Doon din nakabuo ng mga iba't ibang projects na binigay ni TLI.
Yes, I actually did. I sell one work. That was my first paid artwork. I was happy that someone was able to appreciate my work. I was kind of shocked na yung pieces ko yung nabili. And then sabi niya, if may other works pa daw ako, I can reach out to him. It's really nice kasi mabigyan din ako ng client ni TLI.
Malaki ang nabuo ko sa TLI, lalo na sa mga komunidad at syempre sa CEO, si Kuya Sandrix.
Now we have a subsidiary brand called TLI Radio. Our main goal there was to connect with the community. They get to close projects where they can get to meet possible partners. We are now working with fashion shows. We're already working with different organizations. I want to pursue it even further and work with different creatives, not just in Metro Manila, but as well as in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao.
I have a lot of growth in the art industry. I'm just looking forward to like what other opportunities TLI can give me.
Nangyari na kasi lahat lahat ng in-expect ko sa TLI noon, lahat ng pinangako sa akin ni Kuya Sandrix. Expectations, naging realidad na siya para sa akin. Ando na lang ako sa punto na tiwala na lang ako sa TLI, nag-aabang na lang ako na kailan ba ako ulit sa salang. Ayun, realidad na lahat.